Well, I'm Reverend Andrew Devadasan from St. Paul's Church, Madhagiriya. I must say that I came with our Sunday school gym band, the crowd, and I must say we had an amazing time. And I'm extremely grateful for Pastor Paul and his team for taking us through and teaching the children that God is a God of creation and how much that we discover, see God in creation. And I must say, it's so wonderful. Our children at the beginning, were a little reluctant to touch the earth and etc. But then Pastor Paul and his team took us step by step on a very effective program, introducing to the nature, the plants, and then the animals, and then the final is the mud puddle. You just get into the mud, and I tell you, we couldn't stop the children. We were reluctant at the beginning, just enjoying it. So thank you very much. We bring blessings from St. Paul's Madhagiriya, and God bless you all.